All right, now is part 3 of your campaign project. So after completing your platform paper with your 6 major issues and explaining them, uh, what is the issue, why are they important, and what are your solutions, you are now going to give a campaign speech. So after completing that, you're ready to speak to the public if you're actually running a campaign. So the first thing you need to do is prepare an opening statement, kind of letting everyone know who you are as a candidate. So if you got up to that podium, you would tell everyone about your political philosophy. You would tell everyone about the major issues that you and your campaign are concerned with and why people should vote for you. Then you will be presenting your position on all 6 positions, or all 6 issues. So all 6 issues need to be shortly explained and what you feel about them and how you're going to solve those issues. Also, some guidelines here. You have to make a handout. So in your handout, it's no less than a half a page, no more than a page. So you can use different platforms. You can use Google Doc. You can use a Google Slide. You can also use things like Canva to create these things. You have to have your party slogan on that. Have your party name and your name as the candidate. Include a summary of your position on at least 3 of the issues that you're going to talk about. Um, you have to have solutions as well. So if it's a certain issue, how are you going to solve it? Quickly explain that on your handout. You can put things like symbols, a picture of yourself as well, so that people recognize you if you're actually running this campaign. Then the guidelines for the speech must be 2 to 3 minutes long. You will be penalized if it's shorter, and you will be penalized if it's longer. So be precise, include all 6 issues, identify the problems and your solutions. And so be short and sweet for those issues. Again, 2 to 3 minutes long. For your speech and your handout, don't make them the same thing. You should not be just reading from your handout. It should not just be bullet points. It should not be copy and paste. They should be a little bit different. So if you were to actually give the speech, your handout will look a little bit different if you were to pass it out. For your speech, you can do a couple different things. You can record just you talking and send it. You can actually have you with your face and talking to the people in a video that way. You can make a video with pictures and slides with you talking over it. As long as we can hear you and it's your voice, that is fine. As long as it's 2 to 3 minutes, and you're going to send that through Schoology, and that we will talk about more next week. But this is just the introduction of step 3. So after your platform paper, you will then go on to step 3 and create your campaign speech.